Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So for today's tutorial, you will need a hook and a pair of scissors. And I will be using a 3mm hook. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And thank you to everyone that's following this channel already. If you don't know any crochet basis stitches, I will link every tutorial you will be needing. You will start with a slip knot. After that, you will chain 6. Now slip stitch into the very first chain we did. Chain 3. So from now, you are gonna double crochet 19 times into the loop. So in total, with the chain 3 we did, it's gonna be 20 double crochets into the loop, and also pull a little bit the tail like I'm doing. Now we're gonna slip stitch into the top chain we did of the 3 chains we did at the start. Chain 3. Now double crochet into the next chain space, so don't count the first one but the second one, because the first one is for the chain 3. Then you're gonna chain 2 and do 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. You're gonna chain 2 again. It'll be like that the whole round, so you double crochet into the next 2 stitches, chain 2, double crochet into the next 2 stitches, chain 2. So around the end it will look like this, so you will chain 2 and 2 double crochet into the last stitches. And now slip stitch into the chain 3 we did. So now we're gonna do 3rd row. For that, you're gonna chain 3. So now you're gonna double crochet 2 times in the chain space we made. Then you're gonna chain 2 and do 2 more double crochets in the same chain space. So now we're gonna repeat a pattern, which will be the same stitches all around. It will be 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same chain space. So on that last chain space, like I'm showing you right now, you will do 2 double crochets, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and then slip stitch into the 3rd chain we did. Now here you go with the 3rd row. We're going to do the 4th and last row. So you're going to chain 3. And you're going to slip stitch into the next chain space. And on the next chain space, you're going to do 6 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you're basically going to repeat that pattern, so you're going to slip stitch into the next chain space. And you will do 6 double crochets into the next. So when you're around at the end, you're going to slip stitch into the last one. And then we're going to do 5 double crochets into the next one. So it's a little bit difficult to find it, but if you look at the video, it'll be easy. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the chain 3 we did, you're going to slip stitch. And then you can cut the yarn and it's done. You can hide the 2 yarn tails anywhere you want. If you don't know how to do that, just check out any tutorials on YouTube. There are so many. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I will be back very soon for another tutorial. Bye!